Hi art friends, I have an Easter doodle for you called Eggheads. It comes from the book Tangle Art and Drawing Games for Kids by Jeanette Nyberg. Start by drawing a border around the edge of your paper. Across the bottom of your paper, draw a row of egg shapes. Continue drawing these egg shapes as if they were stacked on top of each other. Continue up until you have your page covered with rows of egg tops. Using ideas from this Expressions and Emotions handout, fill in expressions on your very own family of eggheads. You don't have to copy any of these ideas exactly, just use it as a tool to help you see some ideas that you could use for your own expressions and emotions for your egg family. An optional step for this project is if you have paint or markers or crayons, anything that you can color them in with, you can make them look like Easter eggs. If you make one of these eggheads at home, email me a picture. I'd love to see what you create.